Standard 4 EVS 1. Children, we have learned about directions and maps in the previous lesson. Today, we will learn how to read the special symbols used for making a map in the lesson Maps and Symbols. In our surroundings, there are different things which are natural and few things which are made by man. So, first, we shall see what are natural things. Natural things are all those things that we get from our nature. So, as you can see in the picture, the sun, island, mountain, rainbow, clouds, desert, all these are natural things. Now, let us see what are man made things. All the things that are made by man are called as man made things. So, as you can see in the picture, a table, fan, house, pencil, bridge, car, all these are made by man. Now, man has made things for his comfort, and these things are made by using the materials from nature. For example, we make cupboards, tables, drawers, etc., all the furniture from the wood obtained from trees. So, the trees are being cut down and these different furnitures are being made. Now, the picture here shows the area around Anju's house and her school. So, now, with the help of this picture, let us try to locate the various places. But before we do that, first let us spot the four main directions. Now, where is Anju's house? Yes, here is her house. Where is her school? Yes, this is Anju's school. Now, let us find a route from Anju's house to her school. We will color the route from Anju's house till the school. Now, the main route is colored in yellow. Now, we will go straight and then take a left turn. And then we will go straight till the end and reach Anju's school. Now, we will note the things seen on the way to the school. We can see the banyan tree, Shivaji's statue, Anju's friend's house, the hotel, district hospital, post office, central market, park, etc. So, the route Anju passes along is a narrow lane and a main road on her way to school. Now, if you can see, there are several things on both sides of the lane as well as the road. Write the directions in which the places on the narrow lane are situated. The statue of Shivaji Maharaj, Anju's friend's house, hotel are situated in the west direction, whereas the banyan tree and Zilla Parishad office is situated in the east direction. Write the directions in which the places on the main road are situated. From the main road, the police colony, bus stop, police chowki, district telephone exchange center are situated in the north direction, while The hotel, district hospital, and park are situated to the south direction. Mention the directions in which Anju must turn on the way to school. She must turn on her way to school in the west direction. Now, let us see the next picture. You can see over here, this is the same diagram, but instead of real pictures of trees and buildings, certain symbols are used. You can see Anju's house, post office, park, etc. Using symbols, we have shown you the same picture. Now, such a picture is called a sketch. The actual picture and this is the same location, only this is in the form of symbols. Now, what these symbols represent is also mentioned against each of them. Here you can see the ice cream parlor, the house, the bus stop. So, different symbols are being used over here. So, a smaller picture of a locality is called a sketch. Now, a sketch can be turned into a map. But there are certain things to be included. Let us see what are they. You need to show the four main directions on the map, that is north, south, east and west. Then we include an index. Now what is an index? It is a small box where you show the symbols and what it stands for. It is also known as a key. Next is a title. A title has to be given to the diagram as it is very important. Like, for example, in this picture you can see the title is Madison Park. And last we have something called as a scale. It shows the distance between the different locations or buildings on the map. Moving objects are never included on a map. For example, people walking, moving, etc. A winding road in an area is shown to take exactly the same turns on a map. That is how roads, rivers, and railway lines are always shown on the map. Now, a winding road means a road that has lots of turns. So, children, I hope you all understood how to read a map and a sketch. Maps and symbols. Classify natural objects, rivers, trees, birds, hills, etc. Man made objects, chairs, houses, buildings, roads, etc. What do you need to show to convert a sketch into a map? To convert a sketch into a map, you need to show the directions and include an index, a title, and a scale.